BluntCut MetalWorks, April 5th, 2022. I have S30V and a 440C blades in this cow wool blanket here. The main objective of this video is to show that it's possible to heat treat the stainless steel or many other high alloy steel and have good result. Good result meaning that, say, 15 degree precise angle, edge angle, and able to do a lot of EDC tasks. And the goal for the S30V would be 62 plus Rockwell, testing hardness there, and for 440C is above 60. And so this is a demo, it's not a how-to. Anyway, basically I'm going to overheat my blade. So it's going to be massive retained austenite. But however, I'm not going to have liquid nitrogen or anything like that, fancy like that. It's just going to be for, we're going to use the toaster oven and a freezer. That's it. And I will start, and I will set my timer, and I will start. And it's going to look like this. See you in a bit. Well, here they are. This is a 440C, and I'm ready to test at 61 Rockwell. And this is the S30V at 62.5 Rockwell. And both of these knives sharpened with an Edge Pro at 400 degrees precise. And I use in 400 grit diamond plate. The plate a little dull, but that's all right. Now the key objective is given that these starting edge with slide foam paper, you can see it's noisy, but that's okay. And so after I go through with the test, if it passed the test, that means for regular EDC edge, you should be able to do a lot, and using the weed burner to austenize, to harden these. And at this point, again, to repeat, I just use a weed burner to austenize, and then temper wooden toaster oven. And for the cold treatment, they're not much, except I use my home freezer, which is got down to about 0 Fahrenheit. And so, but anyway, so if they are retained austenized, the edge shouldn't be stable. So I'm going to do edge stability test. So let me start out with 440C. Bamboo stick. Argentine Lignum Vitae. Cut rope used with the beef rib bone as a backing. Basically, for if you were cutting meat and you have bone contact, right? And I'm going to do a few harder. In other words, chopping to the bone is really brutal. And I'm going to do a quick test and see if it still slides and there is no smooth. And this is the key test here. This is elk antler tips. So we'll whittle All right. No, that is okay. I win it right here. I can see the clearing. Past the point. So 440C 61 Rockwell passed the test. S30V and bamboo. Argentine Lignum Vitae. Rope cut. Basically, the point is, but this is still now perpendicular, compressive into the bone. It's not like an angle. I'm not testing an angle yet. So we're going to do a quick sanity check. Smooth, no problem. Key test. No problem. All right. Well, this in this demo, pretty much, I mean, they have primitive tool, but in terms of the processing, how the heat treat on this case, I mean, I actually apply some of my sequence using the toaster oven and the freezer and such to produce this two knife. And obviously, I mean, I will bring it the edge down to 13.5 degree edge angle, and for another video, to test it again. Thanks for watching.